Now, one of the most amazing things about this 110% after improved value is we can use the minor version of the FHA 203K in order to solve for low appraisal value, okay? We have used this to solve and save so many escrows from falling out because the home did not appraise at the sales price or the acquisition value. And that is happening right now, right? As sellers are trying to get as much as they can, and folks are overbidding for those quality properties, then what ends up happening is you may contract a property at $600,000, but the value comes in at $580,000. But who's got the extra $20,000 to bring in or more, right? Depending upon what your overbid situation puts you in. So in those instances, what we can do is we can switch your loan from a traditional transaction to an FHA 203K limited. You can go out, and I'll make the advice that you can go out and you can get a construction contract for solar, right? Go see your solar company, get solar, get a $20,000, $35,000 package for solar. We'll pop that on, and guess what? Now, because it's a renovation loan, your appraisal value is not $600,000 anymore. At the 110% calculation, it's a $660,000. So now we just solved for any shortage that you had in your appraisal value, and the buyer no longer needs to bring in an additional $20,000, and over that he gets solar, right? How awesome is that? And now he's not going to have an electricity bill either, depending upon what he picks. So very amazing, and the FHA 203K is the only one that allows for that calculation.